Hi, this video is to show you how to put together Bow Kit E from the Mother's Day Bow Kit options. And this is what you should have gotten is 6 packs of these. They are 2 bows in 1 pack, the string to tie it all together, and the centers. And then so you will need to have a glue gun, the Bow Dabra, the mini Bow Dabra is what I prefer to use, and some scissors for trimming later. All right, so go ahead and get out the first set of ribbons, and you're going to take this set. They're already put into the order that they're going to go into the machine, so go ahead and flip that over. Add your string to the middle of your Bow Dabra mini. Grab the first ribbon. Now you're going to see here, I did not glue. I dipped your ribbons in glue because I was finding that it was unraveling a little bit. So you're not going to have that issue. Okay, and the technique here that I use is I shove the ribbon down and then like pull the bottom towards me at the same time pulling the top towards the back. So it's like nice and even and looking like straight flat up. Okay, so then I'm going to twist it a little. Then I'm going to flip the next ribbon over and shove it, same thing. Put it down and then pull it towards you. Okay, so there, push it down, nice. All right, the next ribbon, it doesn't matter so much if this is up or down because it's shimmer on both sides. And put it in there. Okay, it might come up a little bit, but that's okay because it's going to get pushed down in the next couple steps. All right, so now that those are all in diagonals, I'm going to add this center rickrack and just shove it down, and I have it going across the middle. All right, so then we're going to get this tool that came with the Bow Dabra and shove it down, excuse me, and then tie the knot. So we're going to tie here pretty tight. We don't want anything moving, and then hold down with the finger or a thumb the Bow Dabra so you can get the bow out. All right, so now it's kind of loose, so I'm going to make it pretty tight there. Flip it over. I do not make a knot in the front. I just don't, but you can. So make a knot there, double knot, pull it really tight. Okay. So spread things out to your liking. If they're already in place, then great, you don't have to do anything. So, but I like to fiddle with it sometimes. Sometimes it comes out perfectly and I don't need to do anything. But okay, there, I'm done. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut these ends off. And because I didn't have these glued, I'm gonna trim this so it looks pretty. Okay, so now I'm going to add the center. I just put a dollop of hot glue and put the center on. It's better to mess around with the bows if you wanted to adjust them, move them in certain directions before you add the center flower, because the hot glue will kind of keep the ribbons in place also, which is a good thing. But if you just want to move anything around, I would do it before you add the center. All right, so there we go. That's it. Pretty bow for cookie packaging. All right, thank you.